This is Seawolves. Storm? Or not.
Hello, my name is Amanda Crisanti, and welcome to the 5th week of the semester and the very first week of this academic year that we began the day with fog. Just what is fog? I'll be back with a simple answer to that meteorological mystery after I remind you that this show is a joint production of students at the School of Marine and Atmospheric Sciences and their brothers and sisters at Stony Brook School of Communication and Journalism. Now, back to fog. To put it simply, fog is a cloud that touches the ground. As you can see on this satellite image, there's a lot of water vapor moving over our part of the country. The low clouds we call fog form when water vapor, or water in its gaseous state, condenses. Fog can be dangerous. For those of you driving in today on the LIE, I hope you had no issues with visibility. This fog certainly snuck up on Stony Brook campus, and our forecast has even more surprises. Andy, what does today's weather hold for us?
Thank you, Amanda. Well, today it's going to be rainy, temperature high of 47 degrees, and a low of 24. And most of this drop in temperature is going to come tonight. When this cold front comes through, it's going to get really windy. There's going to be gusts up to 40 miles an hour. So all that water out there right now is going to flash freeze. And more on that later. Back to you, Amanda.
Thanks, Andy. It looks like I'm really going to have to bundle up. I spent my childhood in the South, in North Carolina and Louisiana. So I've been wondering, what's a normal winter like up here on Long Island? I went over with my producer, Heath Kalb, to investigate. Amidst the active weather patterns and winter storms we've been having recently, it's made me think back to snowstorms when I was younger. I used to love days off from school when I could build snowmen and go sledding. I wonder if winter nowadays is the same as it has been throughout recorded history here. Already this year on Long Island, we've received above average snowfall as compared to last year when we got just under 9 inches for the whole winter season, which is almost 20 under the average for the whole year. Like most places, the Northeast can vary greatly in snowfall. Data from the Brookhaven National Lab revealed how much our Long Island winters can change from year to year. The year with the most recorded snow since 1947 is the winter of 95 to 96, when there was over 90 inches of snow. There are also many years where here on the North Shore, we've received under 10 inches for the whole year. We'll see what the rest of the winter has in store for us. And in store for us this week, we go back to Andy for our 7-day forecast.
Thank you, Amanda. Tomorrow is going to be dangerously cold with a low of 14 in the morning and only a high of 29 degrees. But with gusting winds to 40 miles an hour, there's going to be some very dangerously low wind chills, so please bundle up. But on Wednesday, it's going to be warmer with a high of 46 and a low of 25. Now for the 7-day. Thursday is going to be a little cooler with a temperature around 40 degrees. And Friday is going to be cooler with a cold front coming through Thursday night. Friday is going to be 34. And Saturday will be 40 degrees. And on Sunday, the best day of the week, is going to be 50 degrees with a low of only 34. Now back to you, Amanda.
Thanks, Andy. I guess I've learned that the weather out on Long Island is a little like taking a ride on the Coney Island roller coaster. Dramatic ups and downs. Foggy this morning, freezing tomorrow, and fabulous 50 by the end of the week. I'm glad to be here on the island experiencing this weather. To find out more about the wild weather patterns for the rest of March, tune in next week. That's all we have on this dreary, wet Monday. I'm Amanda Crisanti.